Hi guys, okay, here's your English Language Arts 10 for the week. So Monday, you're going to watch the video lesson over author Anne Bradstreet, and here's the video lesson link. You're going to take notes on her in your Puritan section of your notebook. You're going to watch the video lesson over Anne Bradstreet's poetry, which is right here. And then you're going to do the assignment right here where you analyze the poetry, and that is for Monday. For Tuesday, you're going to complete the Act 1 vocabulary assignment. Here's the video lesson to the vocab, and then here's the assignment. Please make sure you're watching the videos because you're not getting the information if you're just trying to do the assignments. You're going to create a reading journal. Here's how you create your reading journal. You're going to want to do that. You're going to want to set your own up. Once you set yours up, you're going to have to go to this class list and share the link to your reading journal next to your name. You're going to do so that way you can share it with me one time and not have to share it with me again. And then I can always check and see how you're progressing throughout the weeks. Wednesday, you're going to start listening to The Crucible. Usually we read this in class. Usually we assign parts. It's usually super fun, but we cannot do that right now. I'm hoping maybe we'll get back in time to do it toward the end. For now, you're going to have to work with me and just listen to it. Here's a PDF of the text so you can follow along. And here's the Crucible audio. You're going to write a bullet-pointed summary of reading events in your journal, which I do explain in this video lesson. You're also going to want to watch this video lesson, but please do not watch it until after you have listened to the Crucible audio. Please, again, do not watch it until after. Thursday, you're gonna read the summary that you wrote from Wednesday, so you remember what happened in your reading, and then you're gonna go back to the Crucible audio and listen to the next part. Again, writing bullet-pointed summary of the reading events in your journal, and when you're done reading, go ahead and watch this video lesson, and hopefully it will help clear up some misconceptions. Same thing on Friday. You're gonna read part 3, or listen to part 3. Write the bullet-pointed summary, listen to this video lesson because it clears up anything you might not have understood, and then go answer this discussion question on Google Classroom about this week's reading. Remember to use textual evidence to support your answer and cite your quote from the book. So you have your poem assignment, your vocabulary assignment, your journal, those 3 summaries. I'm going to be looking at those. If you're not doing those 3 summaries, those are an assignment. And then your discussion question on Google Classroom, with Classroom spelled wrong, because that's the way today is going. On Monday, next Monday, we will have a quiz over all of Act 1 and its vocabulary, which is what you're doing this whole week, which is Act 1. If you have any questions, as always, call me, text me, email me. Please show up to the correct time for your Google Hangout, whether it be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. If you need help before that, you know how to get a hold of me. Please watch the videos. Please do these things in order. I've laid it out for you in a way that is easiest to understand and also easiest for you to do the assignments. If you need anything, let me know. If not, have a wonderful rest of your day.